Okay, getting ready for 7-2. If you did the homework for 7-1, go ahead and get that out. Or the math box, I'll have those answers up here too. So there's the study link. Pause the video while if you want to correct those. And if you did the math box, here are those answers. And go ahead and pause or back the video up if you need to get the answers. So I'm going to move on. Okay. Whoops. Okay, page 309 in the math journal then. Lesson 7-2. Okay, the green grocery has a salad bar. The price of the salad is determined by the weight in pounds. So people go and they get their salad, then they take it over, they get it weighed, and then they buy it for a certain amount per pound. All these items are priced separately at the grocery store. So here are the prices if you buy them separate at the grocery store. So number 1, the store managers are trying to decide how much to charge per pound for the salad bar. Archie suggests charging at least $3.99. So define a variable and write an inequality to represent what he is suggesting. And then, do you think his price is reasonable, too high, or too low? Pause the video and go ahead and fill that in. So X, G, S, W, whatever you want to use for your variable, greater than or equal to $3.99. According to the book, they think that the price is too low because many of the items are $7 or more. So you could lose money. All right. Next page, or next part here, 309. After more discussion, they decide that they're going to charge $7.99 per pound for 1 pound at the salad bar. So go ahead and do 2A, B, and C. Graph it, the inequalities on the number line. Pause the video and do that. Okay, answers are here. Record the solution set. So all the numbers that are less than or equal to 0.28. So the way they got that is $7.99. If you have your calculator, go ahead and use it. $7.99 divided by 21.28. Nope, wasn't 21.28. What was the price of the bacon bits? Yeah, 21.28. Oh, for $6. Sorry. So let's go $6 divided by 21.28, and then you get 0.28, and that's how they got the 0.28. 6 divided by $21.28. Record the inequality so that you could buy less than or equal to 0.28, 28 hundredths of a pound, and they're assuming you're going to buy some, so X has to be greater than 0. So there is the solution set on the number line, open circle on the 0, and then a closed circle on the 0.28 and anything in between. Just ignore these numbers here on the bottom. Those just have to do with math standards. Okay. So next is page 310. How many pounds of bacon bits for $6? Pause the video and go ahead and do that one. Okay, so this time we're taking our $6 divided by $7.99 because they're taking it from the salad bar this time, not the grocery store. And you get 0.75. So all numbers less than or equal to 0.75, 3/4. Again, less than or equal to, X is less than or equal to 0.75, and they're assuming you're buying some, so X has to be more than 0. So there is the graph on the number line. Okay, moving on to number 4. Now they're selling green peppers for 99 cents per pepper. Let Z be the number of green peppers. What is the number of green peppers you can buy separately for up to $6? So do number 4 and 5 here. Go ahead and pause the video and do those two. So all numbers less than or equal to 6, and they're assuming you're buying some green peppers, so you have to have greater than 0. So the solution set could have been, this one's a little bit different, could have been 1 green pepper or 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 green peppers. So they said to use Z, so Z is less than or equal to 6, and Z has to be greater than 0. Graph that on the number line. Now it's different. There's not just a line drawn. Those are points on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And number 5 says, why are they different? Because they show dots. And 5B says, why? Why do they have just the dots and not the line? Basically because you can't go to the store and buy half of a green pepper, 2/3 of a green pepper, 4 1/4 of a green pepper. You can buy whole green peppers, so that's why it looks different. Okay, page 311. If you want to do that one, you can. You're just making up some salads and some costs and things. You don't have to do that one. It's up to you. And now we have page 312. Okay, so next weekend Joe plans to see his favorite band, the Hawks, in concert. So solve these problems. Round the percents to the nearest 1/10 of a percent. Okay, so Joe's going to go online and he's going to buy concert tickets for $80. When he clicks buy, and this is true, it happens all the time, an extra $18 service fee is added. What percent of the ticket price was added for the service fee? So set up your proportion. We've done these lots of times. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Go ahead and set that up and solve that. Now number 2 says Joe only has $80. So about what percent of the total concert ticket price of 98, remember where the of goes, of is your whole, can he afford to pay? And then solve number 3. So I will get the answers up there. You pause the video and work on those. You should be able to do them. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, hit pause. Okay, 22.5%. And number 2 is 81.6%. I set up the proportions there so you could see and remember how to set those up. And now for our number 3. Okay, so if he has $80, what percent? Oh, I'm sorry, number 3. So he's looked at other websites and he finds that 90% of the company, so that goes over your 100, and the whole price is 80. So what percent, or how many dollars would he have to pay? And it would be 72. So the answer for number 3 is 72. So Joe knows that sales tax is 5.5%. How much will the ticket at the Delilah's Deals cost after that? Set up another proportion. Go ahead and figure that out. Pause the video. Okay, I set this one up for you. 5.5% of 72, and you're going to get $3.96. That's the tax that they'll pay. So if the ticket is $72 and they're paying $3.96, That's a $75.96 total. So for number 5, Joe's going to buy his ticket from Delilah Deals. At the concert, he's going to buy a souvenir t-shirt for $25, snacks for $10, and then there's sales tax of 5.5% on those 2 items. If he had $80 before buying his ticket, how much does he need to buy the t-shirt and the snacks and add the tax in? So pause and figure number 5 out. So there it's set up for the t-shirt. He's going to have the $25 t-shirt cost plus $1.38 tax. So he's going to have to pay $26.38 total for the shirt. And for the snacks of $10, we probably shouldn't even need a calculator or need to set this up because it's 10. So if we have 10 at 50 or 5.5%, that's 55 cents. So if we have $10.55 for snacks, $26.38 for the shirt, $75.96 for the tickets. And if he only had $80, he's going to be short $32.89. So he needs more money, $32.89 more. Okay, there's a math box. If you want to try those, I'll have the answers up for you tomorrow on the next lesson. And if you want to write those down or try some of those, let me put it down here so you can read it. If you want to, I'll have the answers for those as well on the next flip chart on 7-3. All right, have a good day, everybody.